Well, the radio's playing Bring It On Like a Hurricane. I'm Kenny with the American Car Classics Radio Podcast, doing my daytime job here at Dolphin Auto. We've got Anthony's 1969 Olds Cutlass up here. It's a rag top, and he's got the interior all done. He's got 26s that he wants to put on this. We want to talk full suspension, but right now we're just doing the four-wheel disc brake conversion, and we're having a problem with that. We could talk about the rear differential hanging down and the pinion angle completely wrong. We could talk about the exhaust being cut off and put underneath the car to where carbon monoxide is going to get in and kill you. But what we want to talk about is this floor patch panel that's come in. They didn't weld anything. These are self-tapping screws right at the cutoff of the exhaust with a giant gaping hole. I'd like to say something relative to terms of that, but I'll leave it clean for now. But that's like asking a person to pass out behind the wheel and die. Or kill somebody. So, as much as people can fix stuff at home and make it look like, I don't know, decent from above, when you start picking the layers off, this is ugly. That's unsafe.
Unsafe.
And both sides, go to the other side of the muffler. There's a box of sheet metal screws.
Oh, there's one right there. A little rusted.
Rust it out. Where your bumper is supposed to mount. You see somebody try to put like some little pad in here to hold it, but that's not. I did this cab.
What's this thing right here?
That's a plug that's old and rotted out. They didn't even seal up this corner right here. A factor that comes around and goes to the fence row.
Knock knock.
Yeah.